I'm sanding the second rotary blade for the Stirling helicopter. A lot of patience has been required, a lot. And if you come and follow me here, you'll see numero uno rotor blade. Oh, super smooth, super smooth. And this is the Stirling helicopter. It's only partly done. I'm trying to work all the bits together. This is going to be lower so that the blade isn't and flame isn't going to be so high up. And if you notice, the H has been engraved so that the helicopter sits on beautifully. There we go, and look at this. Oh, I am praying that at the end of this it will work, because a lot of time and effort has gone into this machine. Back to work.